Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best upgrades you can make for your Ford Mustang Lowering Springs. Specifically, we're looking at the Godspeed LS-TS-FD-0004 Traction S Performance Lowering Springs. These springs are designed to enhance your Mustang's handling and appearance, so let's see if they live up to the hype. First off, let's talk about why these are considered the best in the market for Mustangs. They offer a significant drop 1.5 inches in the front and 1.2 inches in the rear, perfect for improving the car's stance without compromising on ride quality. Installing these springs not only lowers your Mustang's center of gravity, reducing body roll and enhancing stability, but they also give you a sportier feel on the road. Whether you're navigating tight corners or enjoying a spirited drive, these springs deliver. Compared to factory springs, the Godspeeds feature a higher spring rate, 4.1 kilograms by m in the front and 15.8 kilograms by m in the rear. This means better handling characteristics, quicker turn-ins, and improved steering response. Crafted from multi-heat treated SAE 9254 wire and cold wound to prevent sagging over time, these springs are built to last. They're also powder-coated for corrosion resistance, ensuring they look good and perform well for years. Now, let's briefly touch on the installation process. These springs are designed to work with OEM shocks, though they perform even better with aftermarket high-performance shocks. It's a straightforward swap for anyone with basic mechanical skills, but if you're unsure, professional installation is always recommended. What does all this mean on the road? Well, it means a more planted feel when cornering, reduced body sway, and a confident drive. Even under spirited driving conditions, these springs maintain their composure without rattling or rubbing. In conclusion, if you're looking to transform your Mustang's handling and stance, the Godspeed LS-TS-FD-0004 Traction S Performance Lowering Springs are a fantastic choice. They strike the perfect balance between aesthetics and performance, backed by a lifetime limited warranty on materials and craftsmanship. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive reviews and upgrades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.